Hey. Are you tired? Oh shit.
You're not even trying anymore.
What the fuck?
I have a flag before.
I know. Alright. Jeez. Oh, hey cutie. Oh. Let me know when that thing gets uploaded, huh? Jesus Christ. It's a little muddy back there, just so you know. Gotcha. Hey, what's happening, dude? No, hi. He's checking out your ass.
Nice.
He's impressed.
They all do.
Look, get her! Get the little girls. They're tasty.
Not like us. Not like us.
No. I can't. Poor girl losing her knee brace.
Okay, really another hill?
This is douche.